of a muscle. Don't put down the phone, don't call out for help. If you do anything out of the ordinary, you will be killed.
Hammer time?
No, Derek. This isn't your friend Roderick James Hammersmith.
Crap.
Yes, that's the appropriate response I was looking for. Don't you know why no one uses payphones anymore?
Yeah. Because of the rampant rise in cell phone usage and the inconveniency of randomly placed pay-per-use phones.
No, Derek.
Okay.
It's because of the rampant rise in cell phone usage and the inconveniency of randomly placed pay-per-use phones.
That's what I said.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
Well, on top of those reasons, there's also the increase in psychopathic assassins who target payphone users. Ever seen Phone Booth with Colin Farrell?
No, but it is in my Netflix queue.
Well, watch out! It could happen to you!
Listen, I gotta go. American Idol's premiering tonight, so catch you later. Alright, buddy?
Wait! I was bluffing! You won't die if you hang up, come back! Oh, I'm so lonely.